Hello guys, there we have a dishwasher Electrolux ESM64840SX, and today I will show you the control panel overview video. So, as you can see, we have a control panel, but first button is located inside the device, and this is the power on or off button. Now the P, it's a program button. This panel, it's program indicators. There we have a small display with the time, there we have a delay button, and there we have additional options. There is located indicators, and the button number 8, it's a start program. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.